Welcome to the Game Clash Media channel. Today is a quick unboxing of some foot pegs that I've ordered for the street bob. I wanted the original Willie G skull foot pegs, but in Belgium they were nowhere to be found. So I was looking elsewhere and I found Motea. Motea is a big online store that sells accessories for motorcycles, not just for Harley Davidson, but also for a lot of other brands. So this is just a quick unboxing of the foot pegs. They just arrived, and let's see what's inside. I'm going to put my glasses on. So there's a smaller box inside of the original box where they came in. It's not brand, it's just a plain cardboard box. The brand should be of Craftride. There's a hex key included, which is nice, I think. And then the foot pegs. They have a good heft to them, so that's promising actually. They look really nice. And indeed, yeah, just the Willie G skull is missing. So far so good. Number 2 should be exactly the same, and it is. They look really nice. So this was just a quick unboxing video of the fake Willie G skull passenger foot pegs. I'm going to install them and show them in a couple of minutes. So this is the final result. They look really good. This is the original driver's foot peg. I've ordered the same ones, but they were not in stock, so I'll have to wait for those. But they look just fine, and the fit and finish is just really good. Thanks for watching.